Drum roll. Yes. Okay. Hello. Welcome back to Coffee Tea Paper. And today's the day we're going to open up all of the Traveler's Notebook 2023 goodies that I have spent the family's monthly food budget on. No, just joking. Though we did have soup last night. Yeah, hasn't there been such a buzz in the journaling community? Those of us who love Travelers Notebooks, Travelers Company, there has just been such a buzz since the announcement of the 2023 theme, and when they released those teasers of the Travelers Cafe, yeah, we all have to have it all. Anyway, let's start off with some of my other things that I got from Bookbinders Design Australia. Yes, is anyone surprised? More travel stamps, but these are MU Lifestyle ones, and they're really small and cute. They're really easy to store, and I have a few of them in my collection now. So when I saw they had that travel theme one, what can I say? Had to grab it. And here I've also decided to purchase some of their acrylic stamping blocks. Now I have been eyeing off those for some time, but what got me over the line was that I saw on Bookbinders Design website was that MU Lifestyle had made this little storage block. So it's a timber storage block. I'm just struggling to get the box open here. I mean, how gorgeous is the packaging? It's so minimal, and yeah, it's lovely. They do things very nicely. Yes, so this timber storage block has a space for it for the two round acrylic stamping blocks and the square acrylic one as well. And I don't have a lot of space on my desk, but when I'm stamping with the acrylic blocks that I have, I keep them in my desk drawers, and so I'm forever opening and closing and opening and closing and opening and closing. And I thought it would be not only a very practical item to have on my desk, it will encourage me to use my stamps more, but also it's actually rather aesthetic looking, and who doesn't like an aesthetic yet practical desk accessory? Yes, so it's lovely, very crisp, crystal clear acrylic, so I'm very taken with that. That'll be very nice to see through for accurate placement of my stamps. So are you a stamper in your journal? If you are, and you haven't come across these MU Lifestyle stamps, I highly recommend them. They are very detailed, they're very small, but they're easy to store, they're easy just to pop into a pocket in your journal and take around with you. And they've got some really useful stamps, as in they've got like dates and days of the week and numbers, and they also have really nice decorative stamps as well, a lot of florals and so forth. So there's my little stamping block set up, and so it's not going to take up too much real estate on the desk as such. Now I grabbed another one of those Traveler's Notebook clips because I've only got one, and they're really good, they're really strong, and they don't leave marks on your pages. I got this Yohaku washi tape. I was totally enabled by Ali from Dabbling in Journals. It's the vintage style, and yeah, when I saw it, I had to have it. So I'll swatch that in my washi tape journal in another video so we can check it out. I also decided I've got one of these ones from the B-Sides and Rarities collection in the orange, and I keep that in my everyday the blue Traveler's Notebook cover that I share my pages with, my memory keeping pages with you all here on YouTube. And so it's really handy if I'm collecting stuff during the week to potentially use in my pages, or even just as reminders of where I've been and what I've done. I pop it in there, as well as just things like like pharmacy scripts, like if I send registered post, I keep it in there until I know that the it's been received by the recipient. Really practical little folder. So I grabbed another one of those to put in my one of my other traveler's notebooks. And so here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Yes, I got I'm so excited, I've run out of words. I got the monthly one in the end. I also picked up another one of those grid inserts because Bookbinders Design had a sale. It was still a sale on the prices of a lot of their standard Traveler's Notebook line. So I grabbed one of those. Of course, the customized sticker set, because it's so beautiful. A passport-sized pencil board, so that will be going to live in my tea journal for next year. A regular-sized pencil board, which will probably go into my regular-sized for next year. Yeah, that's not a mistake. I actually got 2 of those sets because I knew if I got one, I wouldn't use it. I would hoard it and feel silly. And I want to really, how many reallys, try to use them. And I thought it would be helpful to have 2 sets. Yes. More travel. These are those MU rub-on stickers. So these will be going into my special rub-on book that I have, into my collection. And my weekly vertical for 2023, which is new for me. If you're a regular over here, you know that I use a horizontal for 2022. So big changes. And while the sale was on, I thought it would actually be quite useful to grab one of these repair kits. I really like the different colours of elastics, and I might think about doing a bit of customization on some of my journals, just changing up the elastic colours. They've got some nice colours there, and it's kind of fun to do a few little modifications to your journals to make them more personal to you. I'm not sure I'd be quite as brave as I saw Ali the other week over on her channel, and she punched a hole in one of her covers, and that, I mean, it all worked out very well, and it was definitely the right thing to do, but brave. I'm not sure I could be that brave. So yes, as always, Bookbinders Design packaged it all very efficiently, very effectively, minimal packaging involved, but everything arrived, as you can see, flat, intact, and crisp, and perfect. So thanks, Bookbinders Design. I'm pretty confident that they don't watch my channel, but you know, it's always polite to thank them. And I did thank them. I sent them a message through Instagram saying thank you as well. I really like the back colours on these pencil boards. I love orange. Orange is my favourite colour. I did and about the small passport-sized one, but I knew I would have non-buyer's regret if I didn't get it, and I'm so glad I did. I'm really looking forward to using that, and I think that cafe theme will be perfect for my passport-sized tea journal, because of course not everybody drinks coffee. So yeah, weekly vertical. It's going to be it's going to be different for me. Yeah, so I'm not going to do any setup or anything in today's video. Today's video just is purely about reveling in the beauty of the Traveller's Cafe theme for 2023. Next year is going to be a very big year for our family. My oldest child is going into year 12, which is the final year of school, and here in Queensland they've changed the school leaving tests and so forth in the last couple of years, and it's going to be quite intense, and we really need to be across all of those key dates, assessment dates, submission dates for certain things. So I want to be super organised. She's pretty organised herself, but I it's always good to have that backup and that support, I think. So yeah, so I always love the way that they put their little information sheet with the inspiration of the theme for the year, and they always put these stickers in. I've been really bad at using those stickers. I didn't use them last year, and I don't know why. They were kind of in the oh, they're too nice to use basket, which is just ridiculous, isn't it? I mean, it's dated 2022. I mean, really, I should have put it on. I don't know. I might try and work out where it would look good retrospectively, because otherwise it's just silly, isn't it, to keep these things and not use them. I really like the illustration on the front of the guide. It sort of has, to me, like that sort of Perry Mason, that's really old, like Perry Mason, dingy detective kind of office vibe. Yeah, we're really into things like the Hardy Boy mysteries and Only Murders in the Building and that kind of thing over here. So yeah, I'm so glad I ended up buying 2 sets of these sticker sets. Hopefully it will try to encourage me to actually use them, because I don't know why. I mean, if you have a similar thing, please tell me I'm not alone, but I kind of have this fear of using them wrongly, which is ridiculous. I mean, it's a sticker, isn't it? Like, you can't really use it incorrectly, but I just have this fear of putting it down and then having instant regret that I've put it in the wrong spot. So yeah, having 2 sets, I just thought I have got to try and start using these beautiful things that I have, because what's the point otherwise, isn't it? And they've got these little planner stickers and tab stickers and these dot stickers. I know I'll definitely use those dot stickers. I love a good dot sticker. Whether I use them in my planning journal for next year, I don't know, but I'll definitely use them in Happy Mails and so forth. I really like the designs on these pockets as well. If you've I've got a few of them. I once again am having this sort of crippling fear of using them. if you have used those pockets before, where do you stick them? Have you stuck them on the inside of your leather cover, or do you just stick them on the like a cardboard insert, or are you using them in your pages? And how robust are they? Like, are you just putting like a business card in it and leaving it alone, or are you using it as a storage mechanism, so putting things in and out and swapping things around, and how do they last? And if you have it on your inside of your leather cover, does it stay stuck, or does it come off and leave like a sticky residue? Yeah, if you have answers to these, burning journaling questions, I would love to know. So yes, please, comments. Help. Those rub-on letters, they're always fun. I used to use them in university on my plans when my hand lettering was not as up to the job. That's a bit of a blast from the past. Anyway, if you are also into this whole Travelers Cafe theme, and you have made any purchases, let me know what you got below. And are you going to decorate your cover? And if so, how? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. We'll do some setup or something shortly. Okay, bye for now.